Welcome guys to this video. Today I will share with you best promo codes, how to find the best promo codes on Scuf. So guys, go to Google and search for Scuf promo codes and then click on the first three websites, guys. As you can see here, it's Scuf promo codes. Just click show the coupon codes from here, guys. You will see this coupon codes and click copy, and then you can redeem on this platform. So guys, this is the first website. You can see here different discounts for Scuf. You can save up to 6%, 50%, 13%. This is for free shipping. Just click show codes and click redeem on this website. So the second website, guys, it's called Simply Codes. This is also good and great website. You can find different discounts and promo codes. Just click view a code from here. So friends, click view codes and then you will copy successfully. So guys, this is how you can do. And then the last website is Retail Menot. This is also a good website. You can find different discounts here. Just click show codes and then you will get 5% off, 59% off, and then you can use on this discount. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video helpful.